morning, everybody. The market has just started. It is started in the downtrend with a little bit of gap down. So we will see. Yesterday, the market gave a big move in the beginning. Sorry, in the last 1 hour, it gave a big move, and we made huge money using order flow. So I want you guys to learn order flow for better trading instead of taking tips from somebody. And nowadays, not qualified people are providing tips on Telegram and WhatsApp, and people are losing a lot of money. So those who are watching the video, kindly like the video and subscribe to the video. So, coming back to the order flow charts, see the first candle. This is the first 5-minute candle of Bank Nifty, and this is also 5-minute candle. What move you are seeing here is watching the video. Kindly like the video and subscribe to the video. So, coming back to the order. Coming back to the order flow, you can see that 1150 is the cut of the first candle, first 5 minutes candle. And the buying cut is around 263. There is a big zero zone here. Zero zone are the very important zones which has to be watched very keenly. See, this is the yesterday's uptrend in the last 1 hour after 215 or something, and it gave a big move on the upside, around 300 point move. And some of us made a lot of money during that session, during that period. And now today the market is looking slightly weak, around 300 points down. But again, just like yesterday, when it crosses 51,650, it is a point to buy. And we will see whether it will get rejected at this point. If it gets rejected at this point, probably it will come down, and then later we will see till where it is going to come down. But currently, the market is in the downtrend on an intraday basis. But on the monthly basis or the yearly basis, the market is on the uptrend. Sorry. Kindly reply in the comments if you are finding any problems with the stream, or even if you have any questions about any stocks or the index itself. We have not taken any trade as of now. We want big numbers, just as I told you yesterday. If you want to watch yesterday's chart from where it started moving, I have explained yesterday in the second part of the video. See, from 53.86, it all of a sudden jumped to 1,274, and from then I was repeatedly telling it needs to cross this blue line, which was marked by me, that is the strong resistance zone. And once it broke that, it gave a move of around 150 points once it broke this blue line. Otherwise, the total move was around 250 points. So similarly, we can make use of order flow while trading, but patience is the key to success during order flow, trading order flow. The data is in front of you, but you should have enough, patience to trade with order flow. It is not, we are not speculating any trade based on the plain charts. We are analyzing the charts, plain charts, as well as order flow charts, order flow footprints, and that is how we make the right trade. See, in the first candle, now we have to watch the first candle, second candle, and the third candle delta. See, the first candle, it opened, it's gap down, of course, but it opened somewhere higher, and uh, it opened above the blue line, and it closed below the blue line. And again, the next candle was a kind of not very supportive on the upside. The market could not go up because there will be some covering, short covering, and long unwinding, and all those things. Yesterday's positions will be closed. So we will wait with patience, and we will see what the numbers are trying to decide. From 263 positive, it came to minus 833. This minus 833 is purely not on the selling side, because yesterday's positions would have been covered. Even in this candle, something like that will be happening. However, we will see the numbers are strong on the downside. So we will see if we can initiate a trade if it goes below this point. And if it breaks this point, we can surely take a trade. But by an option buying, we have to be pretty fast so that there won't be any price decay. Because immediately there will be stop loss hunting, and immediately the market will reverse. Once it reverses, it will be hard to catch a falling knife or a rising shooting star. So see, keep watching the numbers carefully, and keep watching the sell numbers, the COT ratio also. The COT ratio, both you can keep watching. Now it is 9:30, and there is a big fight between the sellers and the buyers. The buyers are trying to increase and push the market up. However, the sellers are strong based on the numbers. These sellers are not pure sellers. They might be from yesterday. Their position, they might be covering positions which were bought yesterday. And this candle is a mix of both yesterday's position and today's position. Market is trying to consolidate at that point. However, if it breaks the previous candle, I will look for a downside position. Also, in the meantime, we will see some stock positions also. We will add Berger paints as well as Asian paints. Berger paint is in my trend. It is in an uptrend now. Triveni turbines is also on the upside. I'm expecting Berger paints to, there is it's a dip and now it could be rising up. And Asian paints also is on a strong uptrend. We will see what is happening to Asian paints. Asian paints is also moving in the same direction. This is Triveni turbines. Triveni engineering industries. Triveni turbine is going up. That is around Triveni turbines. Triveni engineering and Triveni turbines are very good stocks. We can consider buying. Looking at the charts and the timing of when you buy is very important. Going back to the Bank Nifty, it is trying to consolidate and it is not. See, we will go to the daily chart and see what is happening on the daily chart. Some sell orders are there, are executed on the. Sorry, this should be. This is yesterday's chart. Today's chart is not loaded yet. So we will close this and open again. Now we can see the daily chart. The market is resistant to going further down. However, there are big numbers building up here on the buy side as well as the sell side. So there is a clear tug of war here. You can see the numbers and the delta here. You can see now, you can see the daily chart of today, 4th. There are pending orders. I am sure that the market will go upside. I think currently it might breach this lower side, lower end of the today's first candle. After the zero zones are completed, probably it will reverse and there will be more upside. And there are zero zones here you can watch. It is very clear on the daily chart of what orders are executed and what orders are not executed. See, it is following a very narrow pattern. There will be a breakout soon. Look at the chart pattern. It is very narrow. It is trading in a range of 25 to 50 points. We will wait for the big movement on either side, but I suppose it will reverse. Wait and see. Market, see, there are big people involved here. They are not breaking this point. This point they are not breaking. If it breaks this point, it will come down till here. Around 25 points will fall just in one tick. So, however, looking at the chart pattern, since it is there was a long sideways movement and went up, now it is opened down, and again, if it continues this way, probably it will come down a little more, and then there should be a rise. This is a speculation only, not based on candlestick charts or order flow charts. Based on the order flow, the trend is not supporting the downside or the upside. If it breaks this point, see, the market is going to trying to keep on the upside. It is forming a triangular pattern, and if it breaks the triangular pattern, we will try to take position. But there should be a closing below the triangle, and if it breaks this point, probably there might be a stop loss hunting. If it breaks this point is very crucial, 51,550 and 540. Now you can see market is trying to breach the day's low. This is one candle which is telling us the market will go down and break this point. However, we are waiting for confirmation. We want one more big number. It is reloading here. We'll be taking 51,600 put. So, see, again, the market is not very strong here. 352 is there, the tug of war is there. People are trying to push the market upside, but they are failing in doing so. Now it is breaching this point. If this point is broken, there will be a big downside. How much downside? It might go to 51,300 or 250. Market is trying to reverse, but it is not strong enough. So we have to wait and see what will happen. In the meantime, I will have a break and I'll come back as soon as possible. I will wait for 5 minutes. I'm expecting the market to break on the downside. There might be a little support here for breaking the day's low, but if the numbers are not strong, it will break and it could lead to more downside. See, the delta candles are all red, although one or two candles here are green. The first candle is green, second candle is green, and the fourth candle is green. But the delta candles are clearly telling that it is in the negative trend for today. People who had carried long positions yesterday will go for a toss. Is Banknifty expiry, so we will have to wait and see. It is trying to reverse exactly from the point. Look at that day's low. It is not broken. Look at the candle. One tick will take around 10 to 15 points downside. The market has bounced around 50 points. So the follow-up candle should be like going, and if the market breaks the point of control, this point of control, the market will break this day's high. So you can just wait and watch or analyze the chart in that way. Because there are big orders. How am I telling the market will break? These orders have to get covered, and these are fresh buy orders. This is smart money. So smart money does not want the market to fall after they have bought. So I am sure they will take the market up. Look at this, and it was countered by another order. Look at these three numbers. It is not counted. So that is smart money. Slowly the cart is shifting on the buying side. The cart ratio and the cart is still on the downside, but however, it is shifting on the downside. Yes, there is a big movement. There is a big movement which is coming. Watch 24,700 and watch 51,700 and watch 51,400. The market is not giving up the pace. Although it was going sideways, it has bounced, and the support is acting very strong, and it is trying to go upside. So we will wait for some time and see the cart in this candle and this candle 132 and 20. Here it is 797. So even if the next candle comes, there is a retracement of a little bit, I will go on the buy side if this candle closes in the green, and I will take a position in the next candle, not this candle. This candle has to close in the green. So I will have a break now for some time, have my breakfast, and then come back. So till then, I will stop the stream and then come back again. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. If you're watching this video, kindly like, so that every morning I will be coming and giving you insights, and sometimes there will be open action trade. So today I'm expecting the market to break 51,700. That is yesterday's crucial point, and it might probably end again where it ended yesterday. So we will wait and see. And thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Subscription is very important so that you will get notifications of all the videos. That will be like reminding you. Okay, thank you guys. Thanks for watching.